Let's be honest, sometimes new employee onboarding can really stink. New hires spend their first weeks navigating systems and paperwork instead of making an impact. And it's not for lack of effort. IT is setting up access, HR is handling paperwork, managers are running their own onboarding. Everyone's working, just not together. And the result? Fragmentation. New hires have to balance between tools and teams just to figure out where to begin. When onboarding's fragmented, everything slows down. People don't feel confident, they don't feel connected, and it takes too long to really contribute. We know from experience, as Deel scaled from 200 to 7,000 people across more than 100 countries. That's when we realized the problem wasn't effort, it was fragmentation. Onboarding was spread across too many tools, teams, and handoffs. So we decided to rethink onboarding from the ground up. Onboarding should be designed as one connected flow, not a checklist passed between teams. When onboarding flows end to end, everyone knows what needs to happen and when, which means starting with one system of record. At Deel, everything starts with HRIS as the foundation. Workforce planning, recruiting, talent management, compensation, payroll, and IT are all built on the same worker data. This way, everyone works from the same source of truth. The moment an offer is accepted, onboarding starts. A worker record is created automatically, so no loose ends, no duplicate data, and no messy handoffs. That step removes a huge amount of friction. Here's another thing we learned. Global onboarding only works if compliance is built in, not bolted on. Contracts need to be local, accurate, and ready by default to avoid late-night compliance checks, last-minute fixes, and HR headaches down the line. And benefits, they're part of onboarding too, not an afterthought. New hires access benefits information directly in Deel. People feel supported from the start and get answers to questions that would usually slow the process down. With that foundation, automation can finally do its job. Workflows handle the repetitive work, so welcome emails, manager notifications, and learning assignments all happen automatically, so that your team can focus on the human side of onboarding. Onboarding isn't just paperwork. It sets the pace. For global hires, day one works when the basics are handled. Devices shipped, access ready, and systems working. But onboarding is more than day one. Automated 30-day check-ins help teams catch problems early. For a new hire, it's one login, one place to access everything, from org charts to goals, to training, to payslips, with AI ready to answer questions instantly. Because clarity builds confidence, especially in those first weeks. The result is a predictable, equitable onboarding experience. Whether you're a contractor in Colombia or an employee in Australia, the experience feels just as seamless. That's how Deel delivers consistent, automated onboarding anywhere in the world.